first upload the image, you want to add text behind. Resize the picture. Adjust where will be your focus point. Now add text on the image. Give effects and change color. Select the first image, right-click on it, and duplicate it. If you are a pro user, just remove the background and your image is ready. And if you are not a pro user, then go to this Remove Background website. Upload your image, and it will automatically remove your background. Now download it, upload it to Canva, resize it correctly, and your text behind image is ready. Thanks for watching.